Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds with E-Trade, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your E-Trade account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located in the main menu. Click on Transfer Funds from the drop-down options. Select the account from which you want to transfer funds. Next, choose the account to which you want to transfer the funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select the frequency of the transfer, choosing between one-time or recurring transfers. Review the details of your transfer to ensure all information is correct. If everything looks good, click on the Continue button to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm your identity via a security question or two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, review the transfer summary again. If all details are accurate, submit the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer has been initiated. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your transfer. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the E-Trade website for assistance. That's it. Your transfer is now in progress, and you can track its status in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.